Hello, people. How are you all? I welcome you all to my page, Third Eye Tarot. Okay, I have come with a new stuff. As you can see, this is my singing bowl, and this is my crystals, and this is wooden stick through which I create a sound. Okay, so basically, my main motive is like starting with this singing bowl practice is very clear that often people don't feel like they meditate a lot, they need healing, they don't do healing practice and meditation as they have to do. Okay, so are you tired of doing meditation, healing, or law of attraction process and not getting results? Okay, often this happens with us. Okay, so do you start following a process to be in abundance but fail in achieving it? Okay, so you need to learn about sound healing that helps to retune your system, vibrate and match with the vibrations of your goals and bring it into reality. Okay, this changes everything. Okay, now how does sound affect our body? Okay, this is the main question which occurs in our mind. How does it affect our body? So basically, the sound is undoubtedly one of the most powerful media, as it can take the human spirit in different state of consciousness. Okay, so it is a sound therapy with, like, it is called Himalayan Tibetan ball, singing ball. Okay, and it is an ancient form of regeneration. When we play this ball with this wooden stick, like sound of om, okay, revives. Okay, and it is like basic DNA codes, and it activates the codes that we haven't yet perceived and we had suppressed till now. Okay, सो बेसिकली हिंदी में बताऊँ तो जो हमारा ये सिंगिंग बोल है, इससे ओम साउंड निकलता है, ठीक है, जिससे आपकी जो डीएनए कोड्स हैं बॉडी में वो एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, जो अब तक नहीं हुए थे, और जो अब तक कहते हैं ना कि जो चीज़ हमारे अंदर दबी हुई थी वो निकल के बाहर आती है, जो हमें अपने कॉन्शियसनेस को जगाने में मदद करती है, ठीक है, और ये हमारी ह्यूमन स्पिरिट को डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस में लेके जाता है साउंड, ठीक है। इट इज़ अ वेरी मोस्ट पावरफुल मीडिया। सो अगर आप मेडिटेशन करके थक गए हैं, हीलिंग आपको ज़रूरत है हीलिंग की, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आप नहीं कर पाते हो प्रोसेस, और आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता है करने के बाद भी, तो यू नीड दिस सिंगिंग बाउल session. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit like session before session, a pre-session, just for 2 minutes only, just to give you a quick review about this singing bowl. Okay, so if we start, we will start with doing, like, we have to put it like this, and I will create a sound for 2 minutes. And I prefer, before listening to it, you would put ear pods in your, okay, अपने कानों में ईयर पॉड्स लगा लीजिए ताकि आपको साउंड ज़्यादा अच्छा सुनाई दे, आप मेडिटेट कर सकें, ठीक है। और जैसे मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा, आपको मेडिटेट करना है, स्टार्ट आके अपनी आंखें बंद करके टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ, एंड अब ओम चैंट करना है साथ साथ, ठीक है, भगवान का नाम लेना है। वी हैव टू मेडिटेट, क्लोज योर आइज, टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ एंड स्टार्ट चैंटिंग ओम। ओके, ओके, आई एम स्टार्टिंग इट नाउ। आई होप आप लोगों ने अपने ईयरपॉड्स लगा लिए हैं, ठीक है। लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। Okay, here it goes. I'm feeling so relaxed now. Okay, so as you can notice, the sound gradually increases. Sound इसका धीरे 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 बढ़ता गया. जो level है sound का, जो बोलते हैं vibration है, वो it gradually increases. Okay, so this is your preview of this singing bowl meditation. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, join into sound healing session for 10 minutes tomorrow and experience high energy vibration along with some other formulas leading to manifestation with power of sound along with unique systems. Okay, if you have ever thought of about wanting abundance in health and stress-free life, then this 10 minutes experience is for you. Okay, join for this session on Saturday 20th, that is tomorrow. Okay, 20th March 2021 at 10 p.m. live along with some luck readings. Okay, I will be coming live tomorrow at 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So you can join me at my live event on my page. Mentions details are mentioned over there. So you can come along and join with me. And before starting this session of love reading, I will do 10 minutes of sound healing, this singing ball effect. Okay, so you can join and you can heal yourself. Okay, and give yourself abundance and stress-free life and wealth and health. Okay, so with this short note, I would like to say I have to close the session with this short note. Okay, I would like to close the session. So meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See ya.